Hey guys, this is Becky103 here, and happy Halloween! And today is another shredded paper test. So this time it's the Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled versus the double ultravision turbo. And some of you guys know trick-or-treating has been canceled because it's pouring rain out, and we're supposed to have like really bad thunderstorms. So this is not good, but anyways. We're going to start with the Hoover. Just going to do one pass and see what this machine does. So, yeah, here we go. So, yeah, this one like touches the carpet. Gonna have to do something about that, but anyways, next is the dirt devil. So here we go. Whoops. Plugged in. Oops. Uh-oh. So yeah, as you can see, all that shredded paper has spread out, and I kind of plugged in the machine the wrong way, so yeah. So anyways, let's see how much shredded paper that can pick up with these two machines. So here goes. Yes, this thing is not doing too good. It keeps touching that carpet. So I should just leave that alone for right now. So I'm going to see what the ultravision does from vacuuming all that shredded paper. So here we go. Ultravision did a good job with that shredded paper. So, yeah, there's some shredded paper all over that I missed, but I'll get that later. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video of another shredded paper test with the Hoover windtunnel self-propelled and the double Ultravision. So, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and happy Halloween. Peace.